In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Tasks different colors. If you've ever wished to organize your tasks visually by applying different colors, then you're in the right place. This simple guide will walk you through the process to add a splash of color and enhance your task management experience in under 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit TasksBoard. TasksBoard is an intuitive tool that provides you with the ability to manage your Google Tasks in a more efficient and visually appealing manner. It's web-based, so all you need to do is open your browser and head over to tasksboard.com. Once you're on the site, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Click on the Sign In with Google button to proceed. This will allow TasksBoard to access your Google Tasks, ensuring all your to-do items are in one place. Once you've clicked on that button, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Go ahead and select the Google account you'd like to use. Choosing the correct account is important as it directs which task lists you'll see and manage within TasksBoard. Once you've selected your account, click on Continue. This step gives TasksBoard permission to view and manage your tasks, so click on it, knowing you'll be well on your way to a colorful task list. Now that you're signed in and ready to go, locate a specific task that you want to customize. Click on the task to highlight it. You'll see 3 little dots, usually on the right side of the task. Go ahead and click on these dots. This is the menu for more options relating to that particular task. After clicking, you'll find an option saying Set Color. Clicking on Set Color will bring up a palette of colors from which you can choose. Take a moment to decide which color best represents the task, or maybe a color that stands out to help you remember or prioritize it better. Click on the desired color and voila! Your task now sports a new hue. This feature allows you to visually organize your tasks, making it simple to stay on top of your priorities and deadlines. However, it's important to note that this color setting feature is available only for upgraded accounts. So, if you find yourself enjoying the pops of color and the additional organization they bring, consider upgrading your account for this and other enhanced features. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to make your Google Tasks different colors using TasksBoard. Whether for aesthetics or function, color-coding your tasks can make a world of difference in how you manage and prioritize your day-to-day activities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.